Although the main religion in Egypt is Muslim, the dress code that coincides with the religion is not strictly enforced. However, the Egyptian people still consider modest dressing highly important. Most women in Egypt have adopted some form of veiling, with the majority of Egyptian women covering at least their hair with a hijab. However, covering the face with a niqab is only practiced by a minority of women. Due to the weather and heat, many of the garments worn are lightweight and loose-fitting to allow them to keep cool. For men, there are no religious restrictions to their attire. Some men that are devoted Muslims do not wear any clothing that cling to the body. Men in lower classes wear a jalabiya along with a turban, skullcap, or fez. On a daily basis, men wear regular clothing such as suits, slacks, and short-sleeved shirts for everyday wear.